Welcome to the WPF Battleship series. This is like episode 17, I think, by now, and we've done a lot of implementations. All the hard work is basically done. We're almost close to finishing, from a functional standpoint, this game. And right now, there's one important piece missing, and we have to still decide how we're gonna choose who starts first. And I was looking over the code, and I think um, we are gonna implement on the server side who starts first. So when we leave the ship placement page, we send out a message that we finished with the setup. And when both people have finished the setup, so when the last message comes in, the server is gonna randomly um, select which person will start. So, and to receive that message, we have to create a new action, and we will call this the who starts action. Let's copy this here. I have to create a new code. We'll say who starts uh, who starts who starts, and then we will wait for this because the application review model is already loaded, and it is since the beginning of the application. We will wait for this action here. So we'll say server who starts action. Say who starts method. Properties. Properties. Constructor. Alright, and here we're gonna need a I don't think we have to create a new message class because it's just gonna be, the name of who starts. So it's gonna be a string, and we'll say, oh, we need a property, so let's say public bool my turn. Actually, it's not my turn. It's not gonna keep track of whose turn it is. It's gonna say I start. And we'll just check if my name is equal to name of who starts. And in the battle view model, we will set my turn to inject application dot I start, and now we just have to send that message from the server. We don't need it in the client because we're not going to be waiting for this message, because we're going to send it out with our finished setup. So we're going to extend this right here. And we are going to check the finished player user dot, oh, we've created this already, yeah, has finished setup, and the other player user has finished setup. If this is true, then both are done, and then we can say, let's say console dot write line, say both players have finished ship placement. Let's get the names in there. Finished player dot user versus other player dot user dot name. There we go. Alright, and then we will have to create a random number. So random, and var player, so be random dot next, and then from 0 to 2. Actually, max value, exclusive upper. Exclusive upper bound. So it's just, yeah, it returns a value from 0 to 1. And so if player equals 0 and else. So now we'll create and send packet. So let's say finished player is player 0, Operation code is who starts, and we got the message. Oh yeah, message will be finished player dot user dot name. Copy paste. We need the other player. Other player. Oh no. This would cause both players to think that they're starting. No. Let's also just put a console.write line, and then we'll say finished player.user.name starts the game. Alright, let's copy this, paste it into here. All we have to do, change this, change that, change this. And and then we can actually say finished player.user has finished setup. We can set that back to false because we don't need it anymore. So for the next round, when we're done playing the current game, and we go back to the main menu and then we go through the whole process again, this value is already reset because it's not being used after this point anymore. Okay, so I think we should run it. Okay. Oh. So, okay, I thought we created the who starts. Okay, why did it not work before? Alright, doesn't matter. Let's go. And the last episode we've already done all the switching. We've already handled all the implementations, so this should hopefully work. Because last time I think... Oh no, okay, no, this is setting up the page. Let's move a couple pieces. Okay, this works. And it's not working. Great. Alright, so let's go to the battle page. Oh, of course. I have to say visibility binding my turn converter local application no. Bool equal to visibility converter and ooh. Okay, so this is grayed out. And we're not switching the turn. It's saying okay, because this is another instance which is not debugging, so the code changes don't apply. Alright, but waiting for, okay, why are we not getting the waiting for opponent name. So battle page, view model. So the opponent name is not showing up. Alright, let's stop this. No, 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 no. Okay, what did I have? Battle view model. So, do we have the opponent name? No, we don't. So, that's a problem. We need the opponent name. Opponent name. Opponent name. Alright. This should do it. Okay, now. Okay. Okay. So now they're both waiting, but they can both click. Okay, what's going on? So, in the beginning, both were able to fire. So that means, let's see, get the console output. It's busy. Let's finish setup. Okay, has finished setup. Waiting for AA. Okay, so why is this part not being run? Broadcast finish setup. Okay, I gotta set a breakpoint here. It seems like one of these values is not getting set. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Uh, that's yeah. That's unfortunate. All right. Let's throw that into here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you guys probably caught that. That I was not paying attention there. All right. Let's get another one going now. And I'm guessing before that, because of this error, we also didn't get that who starts message. So that's why both were um, set to true. Oh, why was it set to true? Okay, let's move one around. Here we go. Okay, this still works. And, oh, waiting for HH. You're trying to find. Okay. So it's reversed. Waiting for. Um, why is that? Why is it reversed? Yeah, okay. Yeah, because we're using the inverse here, and no, 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 we're not using the inverse. Hmm. Okay, guys, I had to pause the video and do some debugging, and I found, I don't know if there's multiple issues, but I found one important one, which is this line right here, 63. So I'm changing the shot opponent name right here, but I should do it up here because if if it's not a hit, I'm still sending out a shot confirmation, and I'm just sending a shot confirmation to myself basically because I'm getting this shot fired message at me, which is a message I'm getting fired at, and I'm checking if it's a hit on my one of my ships. And if it is a hit, then I'm just returning the shot just by changing the name. Uh, yeah, right here, doing the shot confirmation. So yes, that's an error that I just found. So let's cut that out. I'm gonna throw that in right up top. And gonna run it again. Yeah, it took me a little bit because I mean, it took me like 5 minutes, I think. But I only did it with the help of our console output because I saw that we were getting shots confirmations to the same person that was firing at the person. So all right, start. And I don't have to move. Ah, okay, waiting for. Alright, so this is still broke, but Now, okay. So both players finished the ship placement. Shot AA starts the game. So that was wrong. So AA didn't start the game. It was GG that started the game. Okay, so that's turned around. So shot fired AA. Confirmation for GG. Shot is a miss. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it again because this. Yeah, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, it was staring me right in the face. So, one error, which was right here. I was wondering why the border was showing up even though it's my turn. And it was like this, so it was visible. So everything was working right. It was my turn and this border was visible. That was the issue. So it has to be inverse. Okay, so if it's my turn, this overlaying border should not be visible. Yeah, so everything was working, but it was working incorrectly. And the second issue was in the ship, no, in the battle view model. Um, I didn't set up the switch turn for my hit grid, so when I'm receiving a shot from my opponent, I that's why it's a little bit confusing, because we're using the same view model. Yeah, when I receive this shot right here, I'm checking if it's a hit or not, and if it's a hit, then I don't do anything. But if it's a miss, we end up in this bottom line right here where we switch the turn, and yeah, this just wasn't being called because I'm checking for if it's null or not, which it was the whole time, and if it's null, then we're not going to invoke it. So that's the simple solution to this. We have to set up our action right here. We did it for the enemy hit grid to switch the turn, but not for my hit grid. So those were the two issues, and yeah, if you guys change that, then running the application works fine, and it all works as expected. So at this point, we have a running game, and now just the final touch would be to make it circular. So when the game finishes, when the game over happens, then you just return to the main menu. You are able to choose a new opponent and then start another game. So that's what we're going to be doing next. But yeah, first I want to show that it is actually working. Those were the two errors that I found while I was debugging through the code. So yeah, start game, and now, alright, it's my turn to fire. The message is correct. I'm waiting for AA to fire. So if I fire and I miss, then it switches. Same goes for this side. I can randomly hit points, go back and forth. But if I hit, it continues to be my turn. I've uncovered the carrier ship until I miss, and then it's this person's turn to fire again. Alright? So yes, it's working. But now the next issue would be, if the game is over, which is right now. So we have to handle this situation, and yeah, so let's do that. And to do that, I am going to create a new control, which is going to be let's just copy this ship grid. That's probably too much. Whatever. And we'll call it the game over control. let's open that up and let's rename this game over control. Hit F7. Let's copy this. Copy. Paste. Nope. Oh no, why? Okay. Alright, that's weird. Did we just... Didn't I just type game over control? F7. Game over control. Okay. Let's delete everything inside here. And let's include it in the battle page. So local game over control with a data context of, I don't know, let's not create an extra view model for it, because I think it's just going to be mostly text. So this will be binding to game over. I think you already created that property in... Yeah, we did. So game over. And we're gonna do grid.row span, because we got 2 rows to cover. And then also grid.column span. Okay. Alright, so what is this gonna what is this control gonna look like? Actually I have to close this right here. Okay, so game over. Let's go background, static resource. Let's go opacity, because I kind of want to still see like the finished game state, you know, in the background. So I don't want it to really cover up everything. And let's see, we're gonna have just a bunch of text in here. So let's do a stack panel. Then let's go horizontal alignment center, vertical center, and then we'll do a text block of text, and that'll say game over. Say font weight be bold, and then the style is gonna be extra large. Yeah. What a XX large. And then we'll say text block. Text. We'll have 2 texts. We'll have one is where you win, and style. Extra large, and font weight. This will be bold. Okay, that's like considerably smaller, but whatever, we'll just go with it for now. Game over, you win, you lose. I think I'm gonna add a margin here. Let's go 0 left, right, 50 top, bottom. And visibility finding. Do we already have? I think we already have. Yeah, winner. The winner properties. So let's use that. Winner converter. Okay. So bool to visibility. So if it's true, it should be visible. and and if we lose, then we should do the inverse. Okay, and then we'll have a button. We'll have a button. We'll say play again. Actually, we'll just say continue, and then command continue command. I'll say binding, and the style will be our base button style. Okay, and that's basically it. You know what, I'm gonna make all the text extra large. And that's it. Alright, so let's implement the command, which public void continue command. Need the relay attribute, relay command, and here we will just reset everything. So what happens? What do we need to do? We need to switch the page. That's for sure. Let's do that. Current page. And we'll say main menu page. Oh, application pages. Main menu page. Well, game over was set. Ooh. Okay. So let's go. Game over action. There we go. And say game over. So many false. Yeah, because our view models in our dependency injection, we all declared as singletons, so yeah, we have to handle them. As singletons, yeah, or we could just change it back. But yeah, let's just do this right now. Alright, so, and then, what else we need? We need to opcodes. Oh yeah, we have to TC client, the user is busy. So this, we're not busy anymore after we finish the game. So we have to send out busy opcode, right? Do we have that? Busy, yeah, okay. So we have to let everybody else know that we're not busy anymore. We're not playing this game. We're open to other challenges. So JSON serializer dot serialize, and then we'll say user. Oh, we need to create a user, so var user, new user. Do we even have to do that? Busy, what do we need for busy? Yeah, we need the user. Okay. Alright, so user, and then we'll do name, it's my name, and we'll say is busy false, so is connected, it's true. But do we need that? I don't think so. We shouldn't need that. So let's go back. Busy. Yeah, we're just setting is busy. Broadcast busy. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And then we'll send out the message to the server. Create and send packet. Opcodes will be busy. Message. Okay. Well, we gotta test that out. So now we should get a game over message when the game is over, and we should be able to return. Oh no, why is this? Oh, I hope it's just Visual Studio messing around. Okay, debugging. Alright, come on. Please, just work. Okay, set the game up. We're ready. Oh, okay. So that's great. We've lost already. No. Why? What? Okay, converter. Local bool to visibility converter, and that should clear up. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's not continue command. It's great. Why is this complaining still? Alright, let's just build solution. Come on. Oh, okay. Finally. Ah, God, wasting so much time on this. Yeah, I didn't really think about, testing this to make it easier when testing, because we're so deep in the back part of the application. Um, I really didn't think about, testing how the whole sending of the commands and the battle page, and then it probably can be done a lot easier. So yeah. Alright, so start game. Okay, this is waiting. It's your turn to fire. GG. Okay. Oh, okay. That's working. Alright, let's finish this game. Okay, well, I clearly won on this side, but whatever. Alright, I'm not busy anymore. That's good. And okay, so there's okay. Okay, so nothing is shown up here. Alright, but we made it back to the main menu. That's already not that bad. Okay. Ah, alright. So they're both still waiting. They're still in that stage where the one person challenged them. So when we accept, we should also reset those values. And the win and lose thing, that was not right either. So let's check that. Game over control. Text, you win. Okay, why is this? Oh, winner. Okay, okay. You win. Hmm. And in the output, I see right now that DDS, I don't think it was the winner, right? Who signed on first? New client DD. Okay, yeah, so server part is wrong. Defining the winner. Oh man. Battle V model. Game over action. That's all. It's in the hit marker. Okay, yeah, so that's flipped around. So the game over message, my name should not be in the front. It should be the opponent name because my ships have been destroyed. So yeah, that's why that's turned around. And alright, so we fixed that. Now let's go back to the main menu. Alright, we're actually gonna finish. I mean, this application, after we've done this, it's finished. And yeah, this will be a nice episode to finish it in. After that, I'm gonna do a couple more things, but this is a finished product. So, alright, hold on. I mean, feature-wise, functional-wise. Pages, main menu. Let's go main menu and server actions. So accept, challenge, challenge answer, accept. Alright. Challenge by player. Ah yeah, accept. So here we go. When we accept, we need to reset so accept challenged. Say challenged is false. And when we challenge somebody, can challenge is busy, is true. Open challenge, oh yeah, okay, so open challenge is also false. So we have open challenge is false. Actually, let's throw that into here. Okay. Let's run through this real quick. Okay, now the win loses right. That's working. Why is there no space here? Okay, because I didn't put the margin. Yeah, okay. That's fine. I mean, but this looks also pretty good, I guess. I don't know. Okay, select a player to challenge. That's right. And here we go. We're back to our startup, and now we can hopefully challenge. I can still deny. I can challenge. I can accept. Oh, oh, okay, okay. Alright, so ship placement. Start game. Yeah, when we go to battle, the waiting message should not be visible anymore. So that's false. What else? Anything else? No. Okay. Hold on, let's go ship. Ship page, pages, pages. Let's go inverse. Okay, yeah, so that's working. We can drag around still. Start the game. Ah. Hmm. Okay, I think the easiest way to solve that issue would be to go into the inject and then not have this be a singleton but a transient, which means that every time this view model is called, it's creating a new view model. So um, this should fix that error. So we can, everything is getting reset after that. So let's do that. Last try. And then if not, I mean, we're still at a good point here to finish this episode, and then we'll work out the kinks next time. Just probably something small. And yeah, I mean, I've got, like I said, I think in a other video, I said I wanted to do some animations. I want to customize this window, so make a custom, your own custom window, and after that, yeah, this will be a finished product. So, I mean, it was fun. It was definitely fun. It wasn't that easy at times. Okay, why are we here on this page? Oh, waiting for. Okay. Alright, come on. Oh, I know. Because I created this as an inverse, which is not right. So, ship placement. Jeez, okay. Changing things without thinking about it. Alright, so no, it was working. Why did I close it? Damn it. No. Oh man, I should have just stopped the video, but now I want to see it work. Alright. Last try. Last try. Start without debugging. Come on. Open up. Thanks. H. Bunch of H's. Alright. Challenge. Both players are busy. Oh, can we still select? No, we can't. Ah. But we can't do anything. Change. Okay. It's interesting. Start game. Start game. Let's run through it real quick. Win, lose. Okay. Can I challenge again? I can accept. Okay, let's just move. Okay, that's working. That's working. No. Waiting for why? Okay. Alright, yeah, so there's still some minor ticks that we have to fix, but we are basically done. It's just minor things. Alright, thanks for joining me. Leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.